So what I have here is I have a matrix that's coding up my transformation, which takes an xy vector as an input and gives an xy vector as an output. And what I want to do is do that same transformation relative to a more interesting basis. So remember, the standard basis is 1, 0, 0, 1. And when I talk about the transformation defined by the matrix, unless I say otherwise, that's always relative to the standard basis. So the matrix for the standard basis is going to be 1, 2, 2, 1. And what I want to know is, what if I wanted my input and output coordinates relative to this new basis, B? I want to find this matrix. So in other words, I want to find the matrix where the input is the vector. So the input are the coordinates of my vector relative to the basis P. And the output is the coordinates of the output relative to the basis B. So I'm trying to get from here down to here. And I've got a three-step process. My process is going to be to go up here, walk across the top, and then go back down. So my first step is I'm going to take my input, convert those B coordinates to S coordinates. Then I'm going to figure out what the output is with the S coordinates. And then, let's move to step 2. Step 3 is going to be converting the S coordinates down into the coordinates. So what I'm trying to do is find a single matrix that takes me from B coordinates to B coordinates. And I know the answer if it's S to S. So I'm going to B to S, then I'm going to go across to the S, and then translate back into B's. And remember, we talked about this 1, 2, 3, right to left. So one of those matrices is easy to make. I can just drop the members of B into the columns. And is this B to S or is this S to B?
B to S.
Very good. So is that step 1 or is that step 3? Step 1. So step 1 is going to be this matrix. Step 2 is take those S coordinates. And then finally, how am I going to get the S to B matrix? Yeah. That's exactly what inverses do for it. Well, inverses just do the opposite. So if this takes me from B to S, the inverse is going to take me from S to B. Actually, let me write that a little bit nicer. So I'm trying to get from B inputs to B outputs. My process, convert the B input into an S input, apply the transformation I know, and then go from my S input back down my B. And I'm not going to do all all the details out. I do want to show you what I end up with. Before I show you, it's remember when we had the hypercentaurs and the anticentaurs? And the reason that was a better system was the hypercentaur had 2 heads and 6 legs. The anticentaur had 0 heads and -2 legs. So to get the head, if you have a set number of heads you're trying to get, you can only get heads with a hypercentaur. Because the anticentaur doesn't change the head count. So it's in the fact that there's 0 heads for an anticentaur made it a better basis to work with for this for that problem.